Hello, beautiful you. Thank you for choosing this Let's Get Grounded box. So, this journey is yours and I can't wait. And I'm so excited that I decided to add this little implement of a video in here just to sort of go through with what the goodies that you've received and how to use them and how to really work with what you have got. So, you'll have your affirmation cards, Crystal Odyssey book, Palo Santo, and instructions, but I'll go through it anyway, and your tourmaline. So welcome to this whole box collection series. So there's going to be quite a few, and this is the very first. I'm so excited to I am enough, to really work with your journey and bringing back your sparkle, your true you, and reconnect with yourself, with Mother Earth, just taking a moment out of the crazy world to come back to you. So who am I? I am Shannon from Crystal Unicorn Sparkles. I have a few little nicknames coming about, and if you don't know me, you'll get to know me soon. I'm a very honest, open kind of book with my journey and how I have used my tools to help with my healing process and how to bring abundance into your everyday life. I am a crystal practitioner, Reiki master, and I incorporate sound healing as well as some shadow work implements as well. I have done my shadow work course too. Use intuition, which, psychic mediumship, which comes to play with it as well. So I utilize energy, crystals, my natural intuition abilities, and a whole bunch of other modalities to help you on your journey, not only in crystals where you can buy little bundles like this, but as well as healing in my space as well. I offer full moon healings and a whole bunch of other things, but that's me, and I'm here to help and to teach you and guide you. So, welcome to that I am enough mindset journey. This program, all these boxes, these bundles are one step to guide you in through a better you, a more comfortable you, and I can't wait. So you are enough, just as you are. When your energy is free flowing, you do feel enough. You want to do more, you feel more everything. So our first step is to get grounded. When we are grounded, we can get centered, we feel safe, secure, and then everything up and out shines bright, right? So we're going to go over the crystal, over your Palo Santo, how to start to use your Crystal Odyssey book, as well as diving into your affirmation cards and how to use them. And those affirmation cards and the book will use in all the other bundles as well. So you can buy these bundles, the next few bundles, just the crystals themselves. So just this very, very first one is this, or you can skip this one and just go in the other bundles too, but then you won't see this, so it won't make sense. All right, let's get into the mood. So to start off this journey, to start off with getting to know your tourmaline crystal, we are going to burn the Palo Santo. So you do have a little instruction card on how to, but I thought I'd show you. So I have lit my candle, so we'll see how this goes. I might tilt my camera forward on how to do this. So I have burnt mine quite a bit, so she only looks this little at the moment. And you want a fireproof dish underneath. So I have had this beautiful shell for a very long time. This is an Abalonian shell, or a fireproof dish. And you want to light, and I say a 45-degree angle. So I'm just tilting my candle ever so slightly. And I don't know we'll put it on this angle so you can see. I am using the flame to light the bum, and you'll start to see smoke. So we want her to be lit, but then we don't want the flame on them. We want the smoke. And that's what's handy about if your smoke runs out, you can just light her again with the candle. So see how she's flame? We want that to burn out. You can just use that by tapping down, and we want this smoke is what we want. We don't want the flame on her, we want the smoke. So we're going to think cleanse and clear, cleanse and clear. And another way to relight her as well is to blow on her gently. Just like a campfire. Allow her to cleanse your mind, your space. crystal, welcome your crystal. I've got all my belongings down here. We're going to cleanse our books. You can simply hold them all. Nice and clear. I release what no longer serves me, and I invite grounding and clarity into this moment, into my space here and now. I am grounded, and I welcome clarity. You have grounded your space. If you are standing, if it's a small space, a big space, your space, wherever that is where you're going to connect with your crystal. So black tourmaline, this beautiful black tourmaline can come from Brazil, Africa, and Pakistan. Her element is earth, and she's our first root chakra, which is grounding, protective, strong, stable. She's one of the most used and powerful protection stones. And you can see her ridgets, so you'll be able to look at your own. This one here has got beautiful ones just here. She's creating a safe space for stability. It also protects from unwanted energies that have come and gone. So what I would recommend with her in your non-dominant hand, which is your receiving hand, so my non-dominant is my left, holding her in there and taking a moment now to pause and sit comfortably and do a grounded meditation exercise. So this can be for however long or however short you'd wish. So hopefully you've paused and you are in a comfortable position now. I'm going to take a beautiful deep breath in. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. Imagining roots growing deep down into the earth from your feet. Think to yourself, I am grounded and I am safe. I am supported just as I am. Visualize the roots growing deeper, deep into the earth. Just like a tree root, when she is strong and she is dug in and she is deep, she is secure, strong and safe. So focus on this feeling of stability, connection, and peace for another 1 to 2 minutes, and just breathe. Free to pause and stay in this for as long as you need, or if not, welcome back. So hopefully you're feeling grounded and a bit safer and protected and in a happy bubble. And this is a time where you can go grab your digital journal prompts that I have created for you, either printed out in a physical copy if you do that, or if you want to have it digitally, it's up to you, or just a plain journal. I've added some prompts in here as well if you haven't been able to print or download that one. That comes with this beautiful kit, so make sure you have, that should be in your email. What do I want to release? What do I want to let go of? How can I move and shift my energy? The unwanted energy. What energy do I want to bring forth? Do I want to cultivate through this? And through that book as well, you'll have a lot of other journaling prompts. So use this time, just sit and journal. Have your crystal close to you so you're feeling her energy. You've got a cleansed space, you've got a protection crystal. Feel free to hold her in your non-dominant hand, so then your hand is free to write your dominant hand. And just do some journaling. Just sit for a moment longer. So hopefully you have done some beautiful journaling. If not, that's fine to do that later as well. It's up to you and your journey. We're going to connect now with my Crystal Odyssey. So hopefully you have had a look at her and you have gone through some of the information at the start of some basic crystal knowledge, some chakras, and her elements. So we're working with the earth element. Now we're going to find B for black tourmaline. So that'll be B, black tourmaline. Now it's up to you if you want to go here, or you could go at the very back, and that could be the start of your B. That makes sense. A the front, B at the back. Your journey, your book. And now stop for a moment, Google, grab some of your crystal books and research her. Connect with her, or him, sorry, I do refer to crystals as a he and her, but masculine and feminine I should say. And write down your meaning, how you felt connected to her. Describe her texture, describe her colour. Does she have sparkles in her? Could have some pyrite in there too, but and then write what chakra she belongs to and what element she belongs to, so you have more understanding of her, where she comes from, her origins. Is it these ones here are from Brazil, the one that you got, so you can write Brazil. And then your own affirmation, and that is, I am grounded and I feel centered. I am safe. I release what no longer serves. It's your affirmation, whatever it is that you connected with. And the whole idea of this beautiful book is not only to know your meanings, but then you're knowing what crystals are you have in your collection. Yeah? Sit with her, write with her, or him, whatever you are feeling towards your crystal. And again, the journal away. And your beautiful cards. You can use at the start or the end of your day. These are designed to give you an uplifting, just an affirmation. You'll see soon I've got some crystal ones coming. So how to use your cards. It could be after your whole journey going, okay, I released, I grounded, I worked with tourmaline. What do I need for the day, for the week, for the month to keep grounded? Yeah? Shuffle through your cards until the right one pops out for you. Which mine fell over. That's another little universe intervention there telling you, whoop, you need that card. And I got, you are brave and you are beautiful. If I'm feeling brave, I'm feeling protected, right? So how perfect for our black tourmaline. Whew. So as you complete these, please take a moment and appreciate the sacred energy that you have just cultivated, that you've just created through the Palo Santo, through your crystals, through your journaling, and just know that you have deepened your connection, your deeper understanding to yourself and to your crystal and to the earth. And I hope it gives you some inner strength. And this journey is a reminder that groundedness is not just a state of being, but a choice that you can make daily. Commitment to your well-being and your safety and your truth and of you, who you are. So what have we learnt? We have learnt how to cleanse your space, the strength and the protection of our black tourmaline. Journaling, the sacred practice. Through writing, you've released fears and explored some truth, some letting go maybe, just some connection. And you've learned how to use your affirmation cards, and you have also learned how to use your Crystal Odyssey book to connect with your crystals further and to connect with your meaning. I love that I'm connecting with my crystals as we're going through this journey. So thank you for choosing you. And as a thank you 20 gives you 20% off my website. I am going to be uploading more and more and more as the next coming months come up, and creating more and more goodies, and get excited to see the crystal cards. That's 20% off the cards, just a little sneaky one there. And thank you for choosing you. Thank you.